Have you ever tried balancing a wheel on its edge? It would not, right?
Yes.
But what if I roll or spin it? The wheel will not fall and stay in the same state of motion while balancing itself. This is because of spin momentum. Momentum is the tendency of a body or mass to stay in the same state of motion. That is, in the same speed and in the same direction until or unless any external force is applied. And it is true for all spinning objects like this wheel as well. Now I will show you some magic. I have attached this spinner to this wheel. Now, if I spin the spinner really fast and place this wheel on the floor, it will be able to balance itself while staying in the same place. This is also because of spin momentum. I have made the prototype of this gimbal. I have attached the spinner inside 3 baking molds. Now, if I turn the frames without spinning the spinner, the wheel turns along with the frames. But if I spin the spinner and then rotate the wheels, it will stay in the same direction while the outer frame will turn along with me. We can measure the rotation of this outer frame with respect to the direction of the wheel to find out how much I have turned. This device is used in aeroplanes and ships. Thank you.